In today's video, I have brought all the objectives of chapter ईमानदारों के सम्मेलन में. Explanation and question and answers of the same chapter I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. Now let us start. Here first main is Anurupta. What is Anurupta? See, Anurupta means here you have to see the relation in the first pair and accordingly you have to solve the second pair. See, first one, पहला दिन. पहला दिन क्या हुआ था? चप्पलें गायब हुई थी. दूसरे दिन चादरें गायब थी. First day, slippers were missing. Second day, bed sheets were missing. So you have to compare and write. You have to see the relation in the first pair. Then the same relation you have to apply in the second pair. Okay. Now the second one. तीसरे दिन कंबल गायब था. चौथे दिन ताला गायब था. On third day, blanket was missing, and on fourth day, door lock was missing. Then next one, रिक्शा, 3 पहियों का वाहन. साइकिल, 2 पहियों का वाहन. In auto, there are 3 wheels, and in cycle has 2 wheels. Okay. Then next, रेलगाड़ी, पटरी, हवाई जहाज, आकाश. Train moves on track. An aeroplane flies in the sky. Okay, it is very easy to solve. Then next main is रिक्त स्थान भरिए means fill up. First one, हम लोग इस शहर में एक ईमानदारों का सम्मेलन कर रहे हैं. We are organizing a conference of honest people in the city. Second one, मेरी चप्पलें गायब थी. My slippers were missing. Then next, वह मेरा चश्मा लगाए इत्मीनान से बैठे थे. He was sitting very comfortably by wearing my sunglass. Then next, फिर इतने बड़े सम्मेलन में थोड़ी गड़बड़ी होगी ही. Silly mistakes happens in the large conference. Okay, गड़बड़ी means mistake. Then next main is विलोम शब्द means opposite. आगमन निर्गमन. रात दिन. जवाब सवाल. बेचना खरीदना. सज्जन दुर्जन. Then next main is बहुवचन रूप लिखिए. Here you have to write the plural form of. कपड़ा कपड़े. कपड़ा is singular and plural of कपड़ा is कपड़े. चादर चादरें. बात बातें. डिब्बा डिब्बे. चीज चीजें. Then next main is प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया रूप. This is a grammar part. Okay, here directly answers I have given. If you want detailed explanation of प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया, you can watch my previous video where I have explained each and everything in detail about प्रेरणार्थक क्रिया. I will drop the link in the description box. So here let us see. ठहरना ठहराना ठहरवाना. Second one, धोना धुलाना धुलवाना. देखना दिखाना दिखवाना. लौटना लौटाना लौटवाना. उतरना उतारना उतरवाना. पहनना पहनाना पहनवाना. Then next main is संधि विच्छेद कर संधि का नाम लिखिए. Here you have to split the word and identify which संधि it is. The name of the संधि you have to write. First one is स्वागत. If you split this word स्वागत, how it will be? सु plus आगत, स्वागत. And this is यण संधि. Then second one, सहानुभूति. सह plus अनुभूति. This is दीर्घ संधि. Then next, सज्जन. सत plus जन सज्जन. This is व्यंजन संधि. Then next, परोपकार. पर plus उपकार. This is गुण संधि. Then निश्चिंत. नि plus चिंत. This is विसर्ग संधि. Okay. Then next is सदैव. सदा plus एव. This is वृद्धि संधि. So these are the संधिस. Then next main is कन्नड़ अथवा अंग्रेजी में अनुवाद कीजिए. Here you have to translate either in Kannada or in English. I am translating in English. If you want to write in Kannada, you can. फर्स्ट वन इज हम आपको आने जाने का पहले दर्जे का किराया देंगे. आंसर इज वी विल गिव यू फर्स्ट क्लास फेयर टू एंड फ्रो. देन नेक्स्ट, स्टेशन पर मेरा खूब स्वागत हुआ. आंसर, आई वॉज वार्मली वेलकम्ड एट द स्टेशन. देन नेक्स्ट, देखिए चप्पलें एक जगह नहीं उतारनी चाहिए. आंसर, लुक, पेयर ऑफ स्लीपर्स शुड नॉट बी रिमूव्ड एट वन प्लेस. देन नेक्स्ट वन, अब मैं बचा हूँ, अगर रुका तो मैं भी चुरा लिया जाऊंगा. आंसर, नाउ आई एम लेफ्ट, इफ आई स्टे हियर फॉर सम मोर डेज आई टू विल बी स्टोलन. देन नेक्स्ट मेन इज सही और गलत चिन्ह लगाइए. हियर सम सेंटेंसेस आर गिवन, यू हैव टू सी वेदर it is a good quality or a bad quality. If it is a good quality, then you have to put a right tick in front of that, and if it is a bad quality or wrong quality, then you have to put a wrong sign in front of that. Okay, first one is दूसरे लोगों की वस्तुओं को उन्हें पहुंचाना. Delivering people's good to them, this is a good quality, so a right tick in front of that. Second one, चोरी करना, to steal. Stealing is a bad habit, so a cross sign in front of that. Then third one, रास्ते में मिली वस्तुओं को पुलिस स्टेशन पहुंचाना. Handing over unknown things in police station, this is a good quality, so a right tick. Then काम चोरी करना, stealing work, it is a bad quality, so a wrong tick. Then बगल में छुरी मुंह में राम राम करना. Actually this is a proverb that means pretending to be good but from inside having a jealous feeling. This is not a good quality, so a wrong sign. Okay, then झूठ बोलना, to tell a lie, it is also a bad quality, so a wrong sign. Then नेक मार्ग पर चलना, walking on the right path, good quality. Then जानबूझकर गलती करना, intentionally doing something wrong, that is also not right, so a wrong sign. Then बहाना बनाना, to make excuses, it is also a bad quality. Then सच बोलना, to speak truth, it is a good quality. Then next one is समय पर काम पूरा करना, doing work on time, it is a good quality. Then धोखा देना, to cheat, cheating is a bad quality, so a wrong sign. Then जालसाजी करना, this is again a bad habit, so a wrong sign. Then चोर बाजारी और मिलावट करना, it means doing adulteration. Okay, this is also a bad quality. Then निष्ठा से कार्य करना, to work with integrity, it is a good quality. Then भ्रष्टाचार में शामिल होना, involving in corruption, it is a bad quality. Then सेवा भाव से दूसरों की सहायता करना, helping others with a sense of service, it is a good quality. Then देश के प्रति सच्चा अभिमान रखना, having true pride for the country, it is a good quality. Then सच्चे भाव से बड़ों का आदर करना, respecting elders sincerely, it is again a good quality. Then अपने सहपाठियों के साथ भाईचारे से व्यवहार करना, treating your classmate with brotherhood, yes, this is a good quality. You should have good attitude towards your classmates. Okay, these are very easy. We all know what are good habits and what are bad habits. Yes, so it's very easy. Then next main is निर्देशानुसार वाक्य बदलिए. Here you have to change the sentences as per the instruction given below. First question is मेरे पास चप्पल नहीं थी, वर्तमान काल. See, this sentence is given in the past tense, bhutkal. Okay, and this sentence you have to translate and write in vartaman kal. Vartaman means present tense. You have to change this sentence into present tense and write. So how it will be? मेरे पास चप्पल नहीं है. Okay, I don't have slippers. Then next one, एक बिस्तर की चादर गायब है. Okay, this sentence is given in present tense. You have to change and write in bhutkal, in past tense. So how it will be? एक बिस्तर की चादर गायब थी. Okay, it means one bed sheet was missing. Then next one, उसमें पैसे नहीं थे. This sentence you have to translate and write in. Not translate. This sentence you have to change and write in भविष्य काल means future tense. Okay. Answer will be उसमें पैसे नहीं होंगे. There will be no money in it. Then next one, कोई उठा ले गया होगा. This sentence you have to change in present tense, वर्तमान काल. It will be कोई उठा ले जा रहा है. Somebody is taking it. Then next one, वह धूप का चश्मा लगाए थे. This you have to change in future tense, भविष्य काल. Okay? And the answer is वह धूप का चश्मा लगाएंगे. He will wear sunglass. Okay? Then next one is सुबह मुझे लौटना था. This you have to change in future tense. Answer is सुबह मैं लौटूंगा. I will return in morning. Okay, so like this you have to change and write as per the instruction given. Then next main is वाक्यों का काल पहचान कर लिखिए. Here you have to identify and write the tenses of the sentence. Okay. Here first one is मैंने सामान बांधा. In which tense it is given, that you have to write. So it is given in भूतकाल, past tense. मैंने सामान बांधा. I tied things. Okay, this sentence is written in past tense, so you have to write भूतकाल. Then second one, बड़ी चोरियां हो रही है. Which tense it is? It is in वर्तमान काल, in present tense. बड़ी चोरियां हो रही है. Lot of thefts are happening. Then next one, पहले दर्जे का किराया लूंगा. लूंगा, see, future tense. So it is भविष्य काल. Will take first class ticket. Then delegate दोपहर को ही वापस चले गए. This is written in past tense, भूतकाल. Delegates went back in the afternoon. Then next one, मेरी चप्पलें देख रहे थे. This is again in the past tense, भूतकाल. Okay, he was looking at my slippers. So here all the objectives of this chapter is over. I hope I provided a satisfactory answer. If you liked it, hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.